Hi everyone, Bethany here with Atlantic Flag and Pole. I am hiding out in my car because the kids went into swim lessons with my husband and I needed just 10 minutes of quiet. It's super hot up here and we are all things summer in upstate New York, and we just wanted to let you guys know that pretty much all of July we're celebrating Independence Day here at Atlantic Flag and Pole. Obviously it's our most favorite season. It's our most favorite holiday and it deserves a whole month. So we've got some great specials going on our website. We're even taking discounts off of some of our Skip Adele bundles that have been seen on Fox and Friends. So you're going to want to go ahead and check it out, atlanticflagpole.com. We've got a lot of excitement happening. Pretty much everything is on sale. Whether it's the 20% off, which is like over a couple $100s off of some of our flagpoles, or 12% off store-wide. There's a lot of excitement happening. Check us out, atlanticflagpole.com. Thank you for supporting our small family business, and I hope that you guys are having an awesome summer.